Alright guys, what's up? So today we're going to do some ceramic coating on the car to protect the paint. I already did one layer already. I'm going to do another coat today. So I did the layer about 24 hours ago. You wait like 12 to 24 hours in between coats. I'm going to spray it off again just so I don't trap dust in between the layers. If you guys don't know what ceramic coating is, basically it seals to the clear coat and creates like an extra hard, extra durable finish. Much harder than wax, much more durable, about as shiny, probably looks the same, but it just makes like a really strong protective coat on the car. Protects it from scratches, UV protection, and then rock chips too. So we're gonna go do the second coat of ceramic coating. We'll probably do 3 coats total to get a really like pro finish. If you take your car somewhere, they charge anywhere from a couple $100s to over $1,000 to do ceramic coating, so I was looking it up. So I just got the stuff from Griot. Actually, they make a spray-on one that's supposed to be easier to use than the applicated ones, and they make really good products. I've tried some of their products before, and so I was really excited to try their Ceramic Pro. All the 3 major ones, Turtle Wax, McGuire's, some others, they all do ceramics. But you know, I liked the last product I used by Griot, so I was really excited to try out the ceramic, and I'm so glad I did because it came out. The first coat looks awesome. I'll show you guys here in a second. Alright, so it's been long enough. This stuff's pretty easy to apply. A lot easier than spray wax. You just mist it on the surface, take the microfiber towel, and buff it until it's clear. You want to make sure you don't leave any streaks or anything. You want a few microfiber towels for this, just because they do get kind of wet. So, and yeah. No streaks, because you'll see it when it cures, but mist it down and then rub it in, buff it out. Alright, so like when your rag gets wet, just switch to a clean area that's dry and keep going. So I haven't buffed it out yet. If you can see, it's just after you apply it, what it should look like. should already look pretty good. It's got that glass finish to it because it's silicate and it's quartz. So it's got that glass-like appearance. And then you can still see some streaks and stuff. When I go to buff it out, it'll look even better. Hit the rest of the car first. So it is safe to put on vinyl, and it's safe to put on plastics too. So you're not gonna hurt it. You get it on your headlights, no big deal. Just can create a hard barrier on that headlight. So I put it on my roof. My roof is vinyl wrapped. It's really helping keeping it look sharp. So completely safe to use on plastics. Nice thing about working with this stuff is it does take between 12 to 24 hours to fully cure. So you can go back and wipe areas that you missed. So I'm gonna go buff the whole thing out. And yeah, so don't be afraid to work with it because it's pretty easy. Got some clips over there. It's pretty forgiving too. So